Introduction to Event Planning. Introduction to the module. Event planning is a dynamic and multifaceted process that requires meticulous attention to detail and strong organizational skills. In today's fast-paced world, the ability to deliver seamless events is crucial for the success of both corporate and social gatherings. The demand for skilled event planners has risen, and their role is essential in ensuring memorable and impactful experiences. This module will cover the fundamentals of event planning, including its key components such as budgeting, logistics, vendor management, and ethical considerations. Additionally, it will dive into essential skills and terminology every event coordinator should know to excel in their role. Learning objectives. By the end of this module, you will be able to understand the core responsibilities of event planning coordination, define key terms and concepts used in event planning, recognize the importance of budget, timeline, and logistics in event planning, identify the essential skills required for effective event planning, understand the importance of ethical and sustainable practices in event coordination. What is event planning coordination? Event planning coordination involves the management and organization of all aspects of an event, from conception to completion. It includes tasks such as defining the event's goals, budgeting, selecting venues, coordinating logistics, managing vendors, and overseeing guest services. The event planner ensures seamless communication between clients, suppliers, and attendees, while maintaining a focus on the event's theme and objectives. Responsibilities also include managing timelines, handling emergencies, and ensuring health and safety standards are met. Event coordination requires strong organizational, communication, and problem-solving skills to deliver memorable and successful events, whether corporate, social, or cultural. It's a dynamic role that requires flexibility and attention to detail. The basics of event planning. Event planning is a comprehensive process that involves meticulous organization and creative problem-solving to ensure a seamless and successful event. At the core of event planning, it's crucial to define the event's purpose clearly. Whether the event is a corporate seminar, wedding, or a social gathering, understanding the main objectives, such as celebration, networking, education, or team building, will guide the planning process. The next vital step in event planning is setting a realistic and clear budget. An event budget helps allocate resources to all necessary components, from venue booking to catering, entertainment, decor, and logistics. Managing costs effectively ensures that the event remains within financial limits without compromising quality. Choosing the right date and venue is fundamental. A suitable venue must accommodate the event's size and needs, such as accessibility, location, and facilities. The date should be selected with consideration to key participants' availability and external factors, like holidays or competing events. Creating a timeline is another crucial element. A timeline helps keep the planning on track, ensuring all tasks, including venue selection, vendor management, and guest invitations, are completed on time. Vendor selection plays an essential role. Choosing reliable vendors for catering, decorations, and technology services is crucial to the event's success. Finally, effective promotion of the event ensures it reaches the intended audience. Through channels such as social media, email invitations, and public relations, event planners ensure that the event is well attended. Successful event planning ultimately results in a memorable experience for all participants. The role of event coordinator. An event coordinator plays a central role in ensuring the smooth execution of events from start to finish. They are responsible for managing all logistical aspects, ensuring that every detail is in place for the event to run seamlessly. One of the primary tasks an event coordinator handles is planning and organization. They develop detailed plans, including budgets, schedules, and checklists to track progress and ensure all aspects are covered. In their day-to-day activities, event coordinators are heavily involved in vendor management. They communicate with caterers, decorators, AV technicians, and other service providers, ensuring that each vendor delivers on time and meets the event's requirements. Coordinators also manage the event's budget, tracking all expenses to ensure that the event stays within financial limits while maintaining quality. Another key responsibility of an event coordinator is guest coordination. They handle guest lists, registration, and any special requests, ensuring that attendees have a pleasant experience. On the day of the event, they oversee the event's flow, ensuring everything runs according to the planned timeline. They are also the point of contact for any last-minute issues, such as technical problems, unexpected delays, or vendor-related concerns. Event coordinators act as communication hubs, ensuring clear communication between all parties involved, including clients, vendors, staff, and attendees. Their ability to problem-solve quickly and efficiently is critical, especially when challenges arise during the event. Ultimately, they ensure that every element of the event contributes to its success. Key skills for event planning. Event planning requires a diverse set of skills to ensure that every aspect of an event is organized, coordinated, and executed smoothly. An event planner must be capable of managing multiple tasks simultaneously, anticipating challenges, and communicating effectively with various stakeholders. Below are some of the essential skills needed for successful event planning: organization and time management. Event planning demands strong organizational skills to manage complex tasks, schedules, and resources. Event planners must create detailed timelines and checklists to track every aspect of the event. Effective time management ensures that everything is completed on time, and the event runs smoothly without any last-minute rush or delays. Communication and interpersonal skills. Clear and effective communication is essential for any event planner. They must liaise with clients, vendors, and team members, conveying expectations, updates, and instructions. Strong interpersonal skills also help in building relationships and resolving conflicts, ensuring smooth collaboration and maintaining a positive atmosphere during the planning and execution of events. Attention to detail. Event planners must possess a sharp eye for detail, as small oversights can lead to significant problems. Whether it's confirming guest lists, ensuring the correct equipment is available, or coordinating schedules, a meticulous focus on detail helps ensure everything runs according to plan and meets client expectations. Problem-solving and adaptability. Unexpected issues are bound to arise during event planning. Whether it's a last-minute venue change, technical malfunction, or a vendor delay, event planners must be resourceful and adaptable. Strong problem-solving skills enable them to resolve challenges quickly and efficiently, ensuring the event stays on track. Creativity and innovation. A key skill in event planning is creativity. Planners need to think creatively when designing event concepts, themes, and decor to make the experience memorable. Creativity also plays a role in finding innovative solutions to challenges and ensuring the event stands out while aligning with the client's vision. Event planning terminology. Event planning terminology refers to the key terms used throughout the planning process. These terms help ensure effective communication and smooth coordination among planners, clients, vendors, and guests. Understanding the correct terminology is essential for successful event execution. Common event planning terminology includes agenda, a scheduled list of activities or sessions for the event. BEO, banquet event order, a detailed document for venue and catering coordination. Budget, a financial plan detailing event costs. RSVP, request for guests to confirm attendance. Vendor, a supplier providing services like catering, decor, or entertainment. Event. Flow, the order in which event activities occur. Setup and teardown, the preparation and disassembly of the event space. Guest list, a list of all invited attendees. Post-event evaluation, a review to assess the event's success. Ethical and sustainable planning. Ethical and sustainable planning is an essential aspect of modern event management. It focuses on reducing the environmental footprint of events while ensuring fairness, inclusivity, and social responsibility. Event planners are now expected to adopt practices that support sustainability and ethical values in every stage of event planning. This includes managing resources responsibly, minimizing waste, and promoting social good. Below are key areas to consider for ethical and sustainable event planning. Sustainable sourcing. Ethical event planners choose products and services that are environmentally friendly and socially responsible. This may include selecting eco-friendly materials for decor, using biodegradable or recyclable products, and sourcing food and beverages locally to support local economies while reducing carbon emissions. Waste management. A core component of sustainable planning is waste reduction. This involves practices such as minimizing single-use plastics, implementing recycling stations, and encouraging the use of reusable materials. Planners can also work with vendors to ensure they have sustainable practices in place, such as composting food waste, energy efficiency, using energy-efficient equipment, such as LED lighting, low-energy sound systems, and digital materials instead of printed ones, helps reduce the event's carbon footprint. Choosing venues that adopt energy-saving measures is another important step in ensuring the sustainability of the event. Transportation and travel. Encouraging guests to use public transport, carpool, or provide shuttle services can significantly reduce the carbon footprint associated with travel. Planning local events also reduces the need for long-distance travel, helping minimize emissions. Inclusive and ethical practices. Promoting inclusivity is vital for ethical event planning. Ensuring that events are accessible to all, including people with disabilities, and ensuring fair treatment of all vendors and staff is essential. Additionally, event planners can promote diversity through their choice of speakers, entertainers, and participants. Social responsibility. Events can be an opportunity to support social causes, such as charitable donations or raising awareness for important issues. Choosing to work with suppliers and venues that have strong ethical standards ensures that the event is contributing to a positive social impact. By integrating ethical and sustainable practices, event planners can create memorable and responsible events that have a positive impact on both the environment and society. Highlights from this module. From this module, you have learned the following points. Event planning coordination involves the management and organization of all aspects of an event. Defining the event's goals is crucial in shaping the planning process. Event coordination requires strong organizational, communication, and problem-solving skills. Effective event planning ensures a seamless experience for both organizers and attendees. Ethical and sustainable practices help reduce environmental impact and promote social responsibility. Thank you. You have successfully made it to the end of this module.